going to work on the lead code problem, remove duplicates from a sorted array. So this problem is categorized as a common Facebook coding interview question. So for this problem, you'll be given an input array, which is in a sorted order. So what you're supposed to do is add elements into the array in place. So it's going to be like we just move all the unique elements to the front of the array, and then we give a count of how many of those unique elements were present. So as an example, they've given here, an array with values 1, 1, 2. So we need to return the input array to be 1 and 2. So it should be in place, we are modifying it. And then we should return an integer 2, which is the number of unique elements which were present. So beyond what happens after the unique elements, it doesn't matter. So it could be like we could have any value stored there. So here's another example. By given this, we store 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the unique elements present in the input array. And we return the result to be 5, which is the number of unique elements. So to solve the problem, the way we are going to do is we are going to have two pointers. One pointer we are going to use to traverse down the array. The other pointer we are going to use is to add unique elements to the array. Let's get started. So first we'll add a int I is equal to 0. So this is the one we are going to use to keep track of the number of unique elements. And then we're going to use a for loop to traverse down into the input array. So because we know that the array is in sorted order, the unique element or the elements which are the same will be next to each other. So we just need to keep track of the elements which are next to each other and keep traversing them. That's what we are doing here. We're going to say that if the element is not equal to the element next to it, we're going to increment the pointer. So we are going to just increment the pointer and add that unique element into the array. At the end, when you've traversed all the way to the end, the index I will have the count of the number of unique elements. So we just say return I plus 1. So because I is just the index at which the unique element is saved. So I plus 1 is the actual count. So yeah, both use cases have passed. We'll try submitting it. So the time complexity of this solution is O of n, where n is the number of elements in the input array. And since the entire thing is being done in place, the space complexity is O of 1, since we're not creating any new data structures.